overload, nearly overload. We're sitting on the throne and no one's getting overthrown. We're stepping out into the nightlife even though it's cold. You know it's cold, cause them not bad because we bad. That them not hot because we hotter. We have to do it proper like a real dandada. Top boy, top girl, top team, top shotter. Try your thing but it no matter. Like a rat them off his scatter.